Hey everyone, so today I basically opened the post and this what came in the mail. This is the aftermath of me and Caleb opening what was sent from Eid Party. Look at this stuff. It's so many things. You have the Ramadan advent calendars, hanging decorations, bunting, yes baby? Other decorations, cookie cutters, table stuff. There's just so many things. Like, I'm so excited to put these things up. And basically, this is the one thing that I put up already. This is so cute. It says a good deed a day. And I'm gonna put like maybe some kind of goodies or toys in for Caleb. So each one says help prepare for iftar, make a charity box and donate daily.
Like this one.
Yeah, we'll make the gingerbread like this one. He wants to make the gingerbread with the cookie cutters. So if you guys can read, each little pocket has a note, a really cute little note of what your child can do in the day. I'm definitely gonna do this with Caleb during Ramadan. Yeah, they're there, baby. So this is the beginning of the Ramadan preparation decorations. Are you gonna cut He wants to cut the cookie cutter thing with crabs. Caleb, you won't be able to eat this, baby.
No, I'll just use it.
Oh, okay. So you have that. They have like a moss cookie cutter and different little cookie cutters, and Caleb loves them. We're going now, and tomorrow I'm going to decorate the house.
I'm going to play football.
Yeah, you and Daddy can play football. So me and Caleb are gonna decorate the whole house, inshallah, tomorrow, and I want to show you guys preparations for Ramadan because Ramadan is in 2 weeks, but I want to decorate the house beforehand and just get in the Ramadan kind of vibe and mood. So yay! Very excited. Tomorrow I'll show you guys our whole decoration and Ramadan preparation process. Stay tuned. It's such a nice day, so we decided. Okay, I will, Mama. So we decided we're gonna do a barbecue today. Okay, we're gonna have burgers and sausages and chicken and ketchup too.
Sauce.
And what else are we gonna have?
Why have you got a spoon?
Oh, Daddy just picked up a few stuff, so it'll make it easier to have food. Do the barbecue. Daddy's taking some time though. These people have full gazebo tent. Like, what the hell?
Mom?
I need to invest in one of those.
We got one more.
We picked up this little cute portable barbecue thing, and it was only £15 from Asda, but it's much better than those ones that you throw away. So yeah, I'd get one of these, you guys. Oh. Oh.
Good boy.
The BBQ getting ready. Smells very nice. What'd you say? Currently making some burgers. Made some wraps. Oh. And this is cooking too. Nom nom. Look at the cheese melting on that. Ooh. Look how cute this tinsel looks on the mirror. And I put like the 2 pom-poms up, and as you guys seen previously, a good deed a day. I put a little bit of beads on the stairs as well. And then as you come up, decorations as well up. Kept it quite minimal. There's still a few decorations left. So this is the Ramadan calendar. Has the numbers up and then Eid Mubarak. Each one is filled with a little toy sweet for Caleb. And just to give you guys a little example, I filled each one, went to Asda and just picked up like chocolates, a lolly, different chocolates inside. And then this is the living room. I've done like minimal decorations in the living room, but I love this. I hung these on the chandelier. So cute. And this is just so cute. Like I said, I've only done a few right now. I'm gonna fill up this side of the wall as well. And I put a little Ramadan Mubarak bunting just above the TV. Love this little table stand thing as well. It's Ramadan tomorrow, guys! Okay, I'm so excited. I've decorated the house. I've just shown you guys. But there's one thing that I wanted to tell you guys. These decorations could be yours as well. So myself and Eid Party have collaborated to give one of you guys a £35 voucher that you could use on their website on anything. This is open completely worldwide, so if you want to get your hands on this voucher to get these decorations, I'll leave exactly what you need to do in the description below. It isn't a huge thing. You need to follow my account and their account on Instagram and basically just comment below saying you want to win, and the winner will get randomly chosen. Now for those who don't win, you could still use code EID10, so you will get money off your order as well. So that's the giveaway. I will be doing a giveaway as well very soon for Eid, so stay tuned. You guys, look what's come in the post. I've been really waiting for this to arrive. This is basically sent from Chocolaty. They have a Ramadan 2019 chocolate kind of themed little chocolate gifts, and they've sent Caleb a little chocolate gift too. I think this is a really good idea to give to family or friends for Ramadan as a gift. Okay. Oh wow, these, I think they're dates. Oh, they look so good. Which one shall I try? These look really nice. Oh, I don't know which one. Maybe this one. This one? Okay, fine. Yeah, let me try this one. Okay. This is so good. Let's try some, Caleb. Which one are you gonna try?
Green one.
Green one, yeah?
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Okay, go these.
Is it, Caleb? Yummy.
Yeah, no, it's good.
It's good. Oh, good. Yay! Now, they even make vegan organic chocolate as well. And oh my, how insane does this look? If you turn the chocolate over, you could see kind of instructions. It says that 3 steps. You basically choose milk, white or dark chocolate. Step 2, choose from 80 different toppings. Step 3, we deliver your creation to you. So this one is Belgian white chocolate with gold leaf, brownies, cherries, honeycomb and Nutella. If you guys want to customize your own chocolate, just give them a shout and they'll do whatever you want them to do. So day 1, Ramadan, and I'm taking Caleb to
Dragon Park.
Dragon. We're going to see the How to Train a Dragon event. Right, Kay?
Yeah, look, that dragon.
Yeah, there we go. The thing is, when it's Ramadan, it doesn't stop just in Ramadan. You need to entertain your kids. It's so good looking, this place. This is where Sammy got married.
I can see one, Mommy.
Here it is. Wow, can you look?
Now, what does that remind you of? A whip. Think dragons.
No, they've come
Think
out.
dragons. Be nice. Think dragons.
These two have arrived too.
What does it remind you of?
Tail.
Lightning. This you can keep them up in the air by blowing underneath them.
I'm going to do that too.
Where is she? So we've been in this place for about, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours, something, I don't know. And we've seen a bootleg dragon guy in a suit. Yeah, it's been so rubbish. Caleb's entertaining himself. Yep.
I want ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
You've turned into ice cream, baby. It's so cold.
But I want it.
When the dragon comes, then we can get some ice cream. Yeah? 3, 2, 1.
Very good. That's it. Let's see if this gets him out. Let's have a look. Oh, poor old Epico, eh? I think he's eating a bit of grumble cake.
Look at his face.
Oh.
He is so pissed that he paid £9 to come to this place.
Come on now. Here he is.
Wow!
That's it. Very good. You have a stretch. Now come and stand over here. Yes, that's right, over here. Like we spoke about. Very good. Say hello to everyone. Very good.
We're in Mama's house now. Ramadan day 1, eh?